Hello Butterfly class, meet again with Miss Monique on Wednesday, 9th of June 2021. As usual, every Wednesday we learn language art. And our language art today, we're going to learn blending sounds oo. But before that, Miss Monique will remind you to always wash your hand before and after do something. Put on your mask while you want to go outside. And please keep your social distancing. Okay friends, now Miss Monique will tell you which letters make oo sounds. There are two letters, A and E. A and E make oo. Oo. For example, K, L, A, E. K, L, U. Clue. Clue. B, L, A, E. B, L, U. Blue. Blue. G, L, A, E. G, L, U. Glue. Glue. Okay friends, do you understand the blending sounds oo? Now, this is your worksheet. Don't forget, write down your name and date. And the instruction is, color the pictures and copy the words into the blank. Glue, clue, and blue. Okay friends, see you on the next video. Thank you and goodbye.